they would hurry up, we'd get home a whole lot faster.
Heck yeah!
Welcome back, YouTube. We finally made it home. James has gone inside to get his little remote control truck. I'll put information about that down in the description. I can't think of the exact name of it right this second. It's off the top of my head. But we're going to strap my phone, which is actually what I'm recording on right now, an S7, Galaxy S7. We're going to strap it to it and just see what kind of shots we can get with it. It's a little wet. It's been raining all last night, so don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to give it a try. Want y'all stick around? We'll have some fun. And we're in James's room now. He this is what he does most of his time. Plays Minecraft. He's all about Minecraft, as you cannot tell. Minecraft. Ain't that right, James?
Yep. And by the way, this is Gigglemonster.
He likes to call himself Gigglemonster. But anyway, let's go try something else. camera on the truck.
Hey, this is Gigglemonster. Well, not Gigglemonster, but this is.
So I'm going to give y'all a little bit more information about James. He's my son. He's 8 years old. Going to be turning 9 here next month. And as long as he's inside, I can tell y'all, I think next month I'm going to be getting him a go-kart for his birthday. It's going to be a kind of a combination present between a bunch of us. But we're going to get him a go-kart, and I'll probably do a little review on it and make a video on it whenever that time comes. But he's something else. He does have ADHD, so he is kind of hyper, and y'all might notice that. Y'all might notice that a little bit around these videos. But I love him to pieces. He's something else. He keeps me on my toes. But all right, guys, we are pretty much going to be done outside for today. I mean, it was half a day. I got here around noon. I had to do some grocery shopping and do a few other things in town, and then we had to come back to the house and cook lunch and do a few other stuff. So that's gonna probably be about it for right now. I've got one other video I'm gonna probably do this evening. It's probably a cooking video, just to show y'all what we're gonna be doing for supper, what I'm gonna cook. It's actually a recipe that my mother come up with off the top of her head one time, I think that's the way it was. But she showed it to us because she has what is known as the celiac disease, or it's something like that. But y'all might have heard of it. It's where she's allergic to gluten. I'm actually supposed to be allergic to gluten, but it is not active in my bloodstream, supposedly. But anyway, the recipe that I'm going to be doing is a gluten-free recipe. So y'all make sure to keep an eye out for that video, and I'll be posting it up here pretty soon. Tomorrow's Monday. I'm going to probably do a couple other videos. Get y'all some decent content on here before I have to go back on the road. Maybe have to give y'all some more boring content about being on the road. But some of y'all may or may not think it's boring. To me, it's boring because I do it every day. But we will have to we will just have to do it. It's hot out here, and it's Louisiana humidity. Let me tell you, it's thick air, humidity's out and about all the time. It ain't but like 80 degrees out here, maybe not even that, but it feels horrible out here. If y'all liked it, hit the like button, smash that sucker. I mean, just pulverize it, beat the pulp right out of it, and then subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I don't have but 11 subscribers right now, but I appreciate each and every one of you. If you would, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification beside it, so that way y'all know whenever I upload a new video. And if y'all have any comments or suggestions, hit them up in the comment section. And oh, if you would, share this video. Share it everywhere that you are. I mean, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. I don't even know them all, because I ain't on all of them. But if you're on there, share it. I'd really appreciate it. And remember, if you get on the interstate, if you're merging on, make sure you gas on it and go with it. And I'll talk to you next time.